Hey y'all. Have y'all ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Buffalo Picker? My boy Tommy. Yeah, on Friday nights, defend the hustle. Have you ever heard of my boy Big D? Yeah, Fundmentalz of the Side Hustle. Wednesday night, his show is on Wednesday nights, y'all. You got an auction on Sunday nights. Yeah, have you ever heard of Blood, Sweat, and Sell? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're selling. What the heck? And have you ever heard of my boy, Louis? I mean, not Louis. What's his name? Anyway, whatever. His name is the Lone Star Picker. Yeah, Louis, the Lone Star Picker out of Texas. Yeah, with this Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pickin' the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, I got another video for y'all. What I sold this past weekend. Today is the 22nd, Monday the 22nd. Yeah, let's get to it, y'all. I don't know what just happened, y'all, but I had all kind of different telephones in there. I mean, cell phones in there. What the hell? Anyway, I sold that for $79. I put that up for auction, y'all. I started off with $55. I guess that nobody want to pay a lot for them, but I got $75 for them. I mean, $79. All they was doing was sitting in my drawer. You know what I'm saying? So I loaded them up and called it a junk drawer lot, phone lot. Anyway, I charged $8 shipping and handling for that. I should have charged more. Next up, I sold a pair of whatever that is, men's authentic Pepper boots. I paid $4.50 for these boots. They were brand new boots. I looked them up and I was surprised on how much they went for. I sold these for $45, $10 shipping and handling. Next up, I sold a Nancy Drew PC game, brand new in the box, $19. Plus, medium mail, so $2.89. Next up, I sold 5 boxes of TY minis. I sold I locked these up in sets of 5. In the past 4 days, I done sold all 4 sets I had. So I'm gonna be saying this about 2 or 3 more times. That I sold this $15.80. Damn, I'm free shipping on this too. What the hell? Next up, I sold. Y'all probably don't sell these games no more, but I had these games on there for a long time. I sold some Ape Escape PSP games. I sold 2 of them. I loaded them together. Those went for $17.40. That's another free shipping and handling. I don't know why. I did that. Next up, I sold another one of them TYs, $15.80. Okay, you guys know about that free shipping and stuff. There go another one I sold, but I think I said, I was trying to get rid of them, so I think I sent somebody an offer on this one for $13.50, and I got $13.50 for it. Next up, I sold a Lego Star Wars TIE Fighter Paladin helmet. I found this for $29. It was an open box in this new store I started going to. It was an open box. So I looked in there to see if the bags in there, because that's what you want to know. You want to know if the piece is in there. And then you want to know if it's brand new or not. So it's supposed to have 6 bags in it, and it had 6 bags. So since it was open, I put it on there for $67. But it was going for $79. Since it was open box, I put it on there for $69. So I got $69 for that, $6 shipping and handling. Next up, I sold a Funk Buddhist, whatever that is, CD that I found brand new. I scan CDs too when I'm in these thrift stores, y'all. It was brand, especially if I find it brand new. I sold it for $10 and free shipping on that. What the hell? I don't know what's wrong with me, this free shipping stuff. So it's free shipping on that too. Anyway, y'all, that's it on that. That's all the stuff I sold this weekend. It's picking back up, y'all. It's picking back up. Some people haven't lost a stroke though, but I've been kind of slow. So anyway, y'all. Sorry about that. Anyway, y'all, it's picking back up. Hopefully it'll pick back up a little faster. If y'all like this content, even though this video is kind of messed up, I don't care, I'm still putting it out. I don't have time to be editing anything and stuff like that. So y'all gonna get a little dizzy and a little flimsy, bouncing around or whatever. But that's what the only way I can make videos is when I drive. So when I drive or sometime when I'm off. But y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. Tell people to subscribe, and I appreciate it. Anyway, y'all, wear your mask, be safe. Don't worry about what nobody talking about. Watch out for you and your family. You know what I'm saying? And I just wanted to take this chance to say eBay is also a lifeline. You know, when I had COVID-19. I ain't had no income coming in, you know what I'm saying? I was off for like 4 weeks. I ain't had no income coming in, but I was still selling stuff on eBay. Y'all ain't gonna like this, but sometimes I slipped out the house, I put 2 masks on, I can barely walk, but I got this stuff mailed. I got this stuff sent off. You know, sometimes I had my brother do it, drop it off for me, stuff like that. So, my kids was at work, so they couldn't do it. But anyway, y'all, eBay could be a lifeline too. It don't just have to be a business for you. It could be helping you out with your bills, just helping you, period, catch up with your bills and everything. So you guys don't think of it as a business. Some people look at it as a lifeline, and it worked for me as a lifeline. But anyway, y'all, I'm getting off that trip. Like I said, be safe, wear your mask. And I just want to say, woo! That we pickin the hood too. Yeah. Hey.